Hey, let's take a look at the second part of your assignment here. We want to find the measure of angle FEG. I'm going to mark that down here. Then I'm going to blow the picture up so we can look at it a little bit more closely. And I think I'm also going to redraw that in. So I want to find this angle right here. Well, I notice angle HEG, triangle HEG is equilateral. So I know each of these angles is 60 degrees. The one thing I want you to notice is D to E to F. See, it's not quite a straight line, is it? So it's not, I can't use the fact that it's 180 degrees in a line because it's not a straight line. However, I notice triangle DEH is isosceles. So to find the measure of angle E and angle H, I would take 180 minus 56. 10 minus 6 is 4. And 7 minus 5 is 2. So I know angle E and H add 124 degrees. So I divide by 2. So I get 62 degrees. And then the other thing I notice is, whoops, my 2 disappeared on me, is DEH and FEG, they're congruent because of side, side, side. So in other words, I just have to look at here, angle D corresponds to angle F, so angle F is 56 degrees. And so the answer to my question, angle FEG is 62 degrees. On question number 7, we've got this jeweler that's making charms in the shape of an isosceles triangle. And in my isosceles triangle, it says the base of the triangle is 2. And it says one side is 3.5, so the other side is 3.5. So the perimeter of this triangle would be 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 2. So each charm is going to take 9 centimeters to make. Well, how many charms can you make with a length of 63? So it takes 63 divided by 9. I get 7. Don't write 7. Answer the question, please. So I'd say the jeweler can make 7 charms. That's what I'd like to see on your assignment is show me your work and write as a complete sentence. Now on questions 8 through 10, they're related. And we're told angle NDG is the same as triangle LGD. I want to find the measure of angle L. Well, that's going to be the same as angle N, isn't it? So angle L is going to be 36 degrees because we know these two are both 36. Then I want to find the measure of angle X. Well, notice X is in triangle DLG. And what happens is, I know there's 180 degrees in this triangle. I take 180 minus 90, I get 90. So take off that right angle, I got 90. So X then is going to be 90 minus 36, which is going to be 54 degrees. And notice angle D is congruent to angle G, so I also know angle DGN is going to be 54 degrees. Oh, that's the answer to the next question, isn't it? Angle DGN is 54 degrees. On number 11, I've got this isosceles triangle. Try again. My equilateral triangle, I know its perimeter is 216. Well, I know each side, I want to know the length of each side, so I know 3x equals 216, or divide by 3. The length of each side would be 216 divided by 3 would be 72. And then don't forget it's inches. You have to have your units on this one. Okay, question 12 at first seems impossible to do because you've got this triangle JKL, and we're told JK and JL are congruent. Those are my legs. I'm told J to K is 2x plus 3. And that means J to L is 2x plus 3. I'm also told K to L is 10 minus 4x. I'm supposed to find the perimeter, but I'm not given any numbers. But remember, to find the perimeter, we add them all up. So I go 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3 plus 10 minus 4x. And something interesting happens here. Notice 2x plus 2x is 4x minus 4x. I'd have no x's. Now let's just combine all like terms. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 10 is 16. So my perimeter is 16. I must have mistyped that in. Let me get rid of that so it's not so confusing. And there's your answer at 16.